Good morning students. In today's video, we will continue with our previous topic, that is project report. After discussing the meaning of the project report or business plan, now we will discuss the contents or section of business plan. इसमें as you can see on your screen, there are many contents of the business plan, which include introductory page, executive summary, industry analysis, business description, production plan, operational plan, marketing plan, organizational plan, competitive analysis, financial plan, and finally the appendices. The very first one, introductory page. The introductory page should contain the information like name of the business, name of the entrepreneur, his address, phone number and other details, and brief summary of the business plan contents. Second is executive summary. Executive summary or statement of purpose should be given in 2 to 3 pages in length, and it must cover the description of the business and the product, the market. It must also tell about the financial features of the business in the form of sales and profits. It must detail out the financial requirement of the business. It must tell about the current business position, etc. Next is industry description. In industry description or industry analysis, the industry in which the business is going to operate is described at present and its outlook for the future. Next is business description or business analysis. Few paragraphs to few pages are written for the business analysis. It highlights the mission, goal or objectives of the business as well as strength of the business, because of which it can gain competitive advantage. Next is production plan. Production plan is necessary and it describes the production process, manufacturing equipment and level of production required. Next is operational plan. Operational plan is given by all the businesses, whether they are manufacturing or non-manufacturing. इसमें हम डिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं ऑफ द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ द बिजनेस एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट इज मार्केटिंग प्लान. मार्केटिंग प्लान में हम मार्केट के साइज, मार्केट की एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक डेमोग्राफिक्स, स्ट्रक्चर, ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. साथ ही साथ इसमें हम ऑल दी 4 P's ऑफ मार्केटिंग को हाईलाइट करते हैं, जिसमें इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस एंड प्रमोशन दिया जाता है. प्रोडक्ट में प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड फीचर्स, प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाता है. प्राइस में द टाइप ऑफ प्राइसिंग टू बी यूज्ड बाय द बिजनेस इज डिस्क्राइब्ड. Place में the network that the business would be using for making the goods available to the customer is defined. In promotion, all the promotional strategies to be used by the business like advertisement, packaging, public relations, sales promotions are highlighted. Next is organizational plan. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्लान में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर एंड फॉर्म ऑफ ऑनरशिप से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्पिटिटिव एनालिसिस. इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एनालिसिस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट कॉम्पिटिशन इज गिवन. इन दिस the strengths and weaknesses of all the competitors are defined as well as strategies used by them are also described. नेक्स्ट इज फाइनेंशियल प्लान. फाइनेंशियल प्लान में हम देखते हैं फाइनेंशियल वर्किंग ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इसमें हम बिजनेस की प्रोजेक्टेड इनकम स्टेटमेंट, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट एंड बैलेंस शीट की इंफॉर्मेशन भी देते हैं. नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट इज अपेंडिसेस. अपेंडिसेस में एनी बैकअप मटेरियल और डॉक्यूमेंट that is of interest of reader is included, like the contracts, like letter of references, like legal documents or market research studies are being included. So these are various contents of the project report. Thank you.